Hello everybody, in today's video I will show you how to hang in indent your text on Microsoft Office Word. The first step that you have to do is to open your Office document that contains the text that you want to add indentation in. After that, all you have to do is to select your text and right click on it and go to the paragraph choice in this menu. After that, we will find an indentation section here. Now we can choose in the special menu here or box here, we can choose the hanging option. After we click OK, as you can see, the indentation has been added. Or you can just go to the home menu here or the home ribbon and click on it. And in the paragraph section here, you will find the expanding symbol. You will click on it and it will pop up the same window as previous. In the indentation section, we'll click here in hanging in the special menu. After that, we click OK and we will find that the indentation has been added. The second method or the third one is to use the rulers. As you can see, if you can see your ruler or office ruler, all you have to do is go to the view menu here and the show section and make sure that the ruler option is checked in. As you can see here, the first line indent. As you can see, we can control here the first line indent, but we are not interested in that and we want to move or to add a hanging indent. All we have to is to click on it and just move the hanging indent. As you can see, this is how you hang in indentation uh, on your text on your Microsoft Office Word document. Thank you for watching and goodbye.